day everyone, welcome to Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to talk about rectangular coordinate system. Alright.
Okay, so the rectangular coordinate system is formed by two number lines, one horizontal and one vertical, that intersect at the 0 point of each line. That point of intersection is called the origin. The horizontal and the vertical line is called the axis. The horizontal line is called the x-axis and the vertical line is called the y-axis. These axes divide the plane into four regions and they are called the quadrants. So we have four quadrants. So each point in the rectangular coordinate system can be identified by a pair of numbers called an ordered pair. So this is one example of an ordered pair. So we have the first number, we call that the abscissa, first coordinate, or the x-coordinate, which means it measures a horizontal distance from the origin. Next, the second number is called the ordinate, the second coordinate, and y-coordinate. It means it measures a vertical distance from the origin. So let's talk about plotting of points. To plot a point, start at the origin, then proceed horizontally to the distance and the direction indicated by the x-coordinate. Now, if the x-coordinate is positive, we go to the right. And if our x-coordinate is negative, we go to the left. Then vertically to the distance and direction indicated by the y-coordinate. So if our y-coordinate is positive, we move up. And if it is negative, we move down. The resulting point is often labeled with its ordered pair coordinates and or a capital letter. Now let's proceed to our examples in plotting a point. So let's have an example. So for example, we're going to plot 3, 4. So first we start with our origin. Since our number is 3, okay, we will count 3 units to the right since it is positive. 1, 2, 3. And then after that, we will now count vertically 4 units going up. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And this will be the location of our point D, which is 3, 4. Okay, let's have another example. So for example, we are going to locate point E having a coordinate of -5, 3. So let's start first with our origin and then count horizontally based on our x-coordinate. Since it is negative, we're going to the left, 5 units to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then after that, we're not going to plot it yet. We still have our y-coordinate. So since it is positive, it is going up, 3 units going up. So 1, 2, 3. So this will be the location of point E having the coordinate of -5, 3. Okay, let's have another example. So for example, we have N having the coordinate of 2, -4. So in this case, again, we start from the origin. So we have 2. Since it is positive, we're going to move 2 units to the right from the origin. So 2 units to the right of our origin. So 1, 2. Next, since this is -4, so we have 4 units going down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And this will be the location of our point N having the coordinate of 2, -4. Let's have another example. So for example, we're going to plot point J having the coordinates of -2, -2. So first, we are going to focus on our x-coordinate, which is we are going to move to the left since this is negative, 2 units to the left of the origin. So 1, 2. Okay, and then we are going 2 units since it is negative going down. So 2 units going down. So 1, 2. And this will be the location of point J having the coordinate of -2, -2. Okay? Ayan. Let's have another example. For example, we are locating point I, having the location of -4, 0. So first is we have our x-coordinate, -4. So we have 4 units going to the left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Since our y-coordinate is 0, then we are not going to move up or down. We will just stay in our location, which is -4. So it will be along x-axis. So our point I is along x-axis, having a coordinate of -4, 0. And then let's have our last example for today. So let's plot point E having the coordinate of 0, 4. So again, our x-coordinate is 0. Since our x-coordinate is 0, we will just stay. We will not move either going to the left or right. So we're not going to move at all from the origin. So next is our y-coordinate, which is 4. Since it is positive, we're going 4 units up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be the location of our point E, having the coordinate of 0, 4. So our location is along the y-axis.
Okay. Now that you already know the parts of a rectangular coordinate system and how to plot points in a rectangular coordinate system, it is your turn to try it. Please click the link in the description box below in order for you to test your skills. Again, I'm Teacher Justin. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.